I am Afraz. Today I'm going to be talking about vectors. So what is a vector? A vector is some object which has magnitude and direction. There are two types, vector quantity and scalar quantity. Vector quantity means which, as I told, which has magnitude, both magnitude and direction. But scalar quantity only has magnitude. Now I will show you how to find the magnitude of a vector. It has a formula. So if we take vector A, which is represented, I will show you. You can take vector A, vector. So this is A. For making it a vector, we use an arrow up. Vector A is equal to square root of. Before that, I will show you. There are three planes, I, J, and K. So these are the three values x, y, and z. Let's consider it like that. So I will give this I a value as 3 and this j have 4 and k have 5. To find the magnitude of vector, we can do 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Square. Now what we have to do is, just a minute. What we have to do is, we have to square all the values. So 9 plus 16 plus 25. Now we get the value 9 plus 16 plus 25, which is equal to root of 50. Since 50 is a non-square number, we can't find the square root of 50. Now I will take another example which we can find. We will take 3 and 4. So we will take I. Oh, sorry. So I value is 3, 3i, and make sure to put a cap in I plus 4j. Since there is no k value, we don't have to write it. 4j. Find vector A. Find vector A. So what we have to do is substitute the same formula, which is equal to x. Otherwise, you can make it as I square. So we can I square plus j square. So root of I square plus j square, which is equal to 3 square plus 4 square 4 square. So if we square the numbers, we get 9 plus 16. Root of 9 plus 16, which is equal to root of 25. Root of 25. So root of 25 is equal to 5. So vector A is equal to 5. Now we have seen it for one plane, for one vector. Now let's see it for two vectors, vector A and B. Just a minute. Vector A is equal to 3i plus 4j and vector B. Vector is equal to 5i plus 6j. 6j. Now for finding the value, we can use the formula. Vector A plus vector B is equal to root of first vector B first value, vector B first value minus vector A first value, vector A first value. After that, we have to put a bracket and whole square plus vector vector B vector B second value minus vector A second value. Now we can take it and put vector E. Okay. Okay. Vector oh, vector A plus B is equal to square root root of 5 my wait a minute bracket 5 minus 3 power of 2 and plus 6 minus 4 4 is 6 minus 4 square, sorry, power of 2. So we get the answer as now I'll show you how. Square root of 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root of 4 plus I'll just move this down. Now root of 4 4 plus 4, which is equal to root of 8. So today we have learnt about how to add vectors. Thank you.